Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by proving control of your domain. Log into your registrar and open the DNS zone editor. Once done, copy the verification TXT or CNAME value provided by the social platform. You need both the record type and exact value. Mistakes here block verification. Make sure to note the TTL and which subdomain to use, such as at versus www. This step unlocks subsequent platform features, so act now and create the record before moving forward. Next, add the records you copied. Create a TXT for verification and an SBF or DKIM record if the platform sends emails on your behalf. If the network asks for a CNAME to point a subdomain at their service, add that too. Once added, set a low TTL like 303,600 seconds to speed checks. Wait for propagation, then return to the social platform and trigger verification. If DNS UI has staging or advanced modes, use them carefully to avoid overriding needed records. Finally, verify everything. Use a DNS lookup to confirm TXT/CNAME values match what the platform expects. Once verified on the platform, enable custom link claims, analytics, or branding features. If verification fails, first check propagation. Some providers cache longer. Then confirm record syntax and that name servers at the registrar match the DNS host. A common fix is correcting a trailing dot or removing extra quotes. If delegation is wrong, update registrar NS entries and repeat verification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.